Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your account is synced so rules run on current mail. Once done, open File, then Manage Rules and Alerts, or on the Home tab choose Rules, Manage Rules. Make a quick decision. Do you want an incoming or outgoing rule, and which folder or action should handle matched messages? This first step prevents rework and ensures you select the correct template when you create a new rule. Now you build the rule logic. Click New Rule and either pick a template or start from a blank rule to control every option. Add precise conditions like specific senders, subject keywords, size limits, or importance so only intended messages match. Then choose actions such as move to folder, forward, delete, categorize, or run a script. Make sure to set exceptions and test with sample messages so the rule behaves. You finish by naming the rule, setting its run order, and choosing whether it runs on the server or only in the client. This affects mobile and web behavior. Once done, test with several sample emails to confirm results and tweak conditions or exceptions if needed. If the rule doesn't run, make sure it's on the server when required, check sync status, and verify no conflicting rules are higher in order. That single fix resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.